Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should open Canva and pick a brand kit now so colors and fonts stay consistent. Once done, choose the format that matches your platform. Make sure to import logos and product images, then paste affiliate links into a staged note so you don't lose them. You'll set up templates next. Don't waste time on one-offs. Prepare short headline variations and a clear call to action so when you design, you're executing, not experimenting. You'll now build the template. Establish a visual hierarchy with a focal image, headline, and CTA. Once done, apply brand colors and bold fonts for the headline. Make sure body text is legible at mobile size. Add a visible CTA button, and if using animation, keep transitions under 2 seconds so attention isn't lost. Duplicate the template to a /B test headlines and images quickly. Export high-quality files, and name them with platform and variant for easy tracking. You should publish the asset with UTM-tagged affiliate links so you can track clicks and conversions. Once done, schedule posts and monitor performance daily in the first 72 hours. Make sure to compare CTR and conversion rate across variants, and iterate by swapping images or CTAs based on what moves the needle. If conversions drop, check link redirects, clear cache, and verify your affiliate account isn't paused. One quick fix often restores all tracked traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.